Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm doing a short tutorial on how to convert your image to a vector or an SVG format so that you can import it to Easel. This is now for CNC purposes. So you go to Google and you look for any image that you like. It must obviously be a static black and white one if you want to cut it with a CNC router. Images like these obviously won't work. So let's take this one for example. Okay, this one has watermarks. Let's look for a different one. It looks nice. Okay, let's take this one. So you will copy your image or save it to your computer, then you import or paste it into Adobe Illustrator. So you click on the image, then you open window and you make sure the properties tab is open. So make sure your image is selected, then you just go to image trace and you choose either of these three: black and white logos, sketched art or silhouettes. They are more or less the same. Let's see the difference. Some of them just make the picture a little bit bolder, especially the silhouette one. So let's go with this option. Then you go to file, save as, and you just export your image. Make sure the SVG option is selected. I think Easel will also import the Adobe Illustrator format, I'm not sure, but you export it to SVG, click save, then you go back to your Easel and now you can easily import that. And this is also very nice. When you convert it to this vector format, you can drag it and resize it as big as you like and it won't affect the quality, so you can export a very big image and a very high resolution image. So that is very nice. So yeah, now your file is ready to cut. Then you can just select your cut settings from there on and the rest is up to you. I hope this was helpful. If I left out anything, please let me know in the comment section below and I will make a video to clarify on that. Thank you guys.